Hello and welcome back to ECF Composites. Today we'd like to give you a quick demonstration of our new purple glow-in-the-dark pigment powder. First, we measured out our required amount of clear epoxy resin and hardener. We're using 100 ml of ECF clear epoxy art resin with 50 ml of slow cure hardener. Then we added approximately 6 to 7 grams of glow-in-the-dark powder to the resin. The resin, hardener and powder are then thoroughly mixed. And then we filled our moulds. Using a pointed tool or cocktail stick, gently agitate any air bubbles out of the resin. Do this especially if the mould has awkward angles or undercuts. For more professional level castings with no risk of tiny trapped air bubbles, you may want to use a degassing chamber to remove all air from the resin first, but we did not do this for this demo. The next day, we removed our casts from their moulds. And then charged in the sun for over 10 minutes. And here's the final result in a darkened room. The more powder added to your cast and the longer the cast is exposed to UV light, the more intense your glow will be and the longer the glow will last. But as shown here, you don't need to use a lot to get a good glow from your casts.